Welcome to your latest weather update for Scotland from the Met Office. The wintry weather will continue. We're going to have icy conditions first thing on Saturday morning with further snow flurries likely. Met Office yellow warnings are in place. Most of the snow will be across the north. Heavy snow showers coming into the Northern Isles, Caithness and Sutherland, and then later in the night some of them will drift their way southwards across parts of Aberdeenshire. So a further centimetre or two likely in this zone. Elsewhere it could be icy where we've got any snow lying on the ground or wherever we see any showers across the southwest. For much of the country, it will just be dry and clear and pretty cold once more. Enough of a breeze across the northeast to stop temperatures dropping too far, but even here we could get down to -8 to -10. Some spots further west through some sheltered glens could get down maybe as low as -12 to perhaps -15 Celsius. We'll start the day well below freezing through the central belt as well. But generally, we'll start off with quite a bit of sunshine. The showers by first thing should be clearing away from Aberdeenshire. Still some snow showers affecting Shetland, but even here I think they'll tend to ease as we go through the day. Small chance of 1 or 2 showers in the southwest. There'll probably be more of rain, certainly at low levels, and actually most places will just be dry, certainly through daylight hours. Cloud will increase across the southwest. In the sunny spells across the north, temperatures should stumble up above freezing, 3 or 4 the top temperature. Further south we might get up to 5 or 6 Celsius. The winds are light, but these temperatures are below average for this time in March. And we're still not done with the wintry weather because eyes down to the southwest, we are looking at a band of wet weather pushing northwards during Saturday evening. As it hits the colder air, likely to see some snowfall initially over the hills, over the southern uplands, for example, but then it's going to pep up a little bit, and even to lower levels we could see some covering, say, through the central belt and more further north. The Trossachs in particular could well see some heavy snow, as much as 10 centimetres on some of the mountains here. But as I said, even at low levels, there could be a covering as that wet weather works northwards. Likely to be turning back to rain, though, across the south by the time we get to Sunday morning. Still some of that wintry weather across northernmost parts during Sunday. Bit of a question mark about how much snow we see, but it could linger here. And then we're looking at more clouds and further wet weather coming in from the southwest during the day on Sunday. That will also mean the breeze is picking up, but the temperatures are rising. So any snow by the end of Sunday across central parts, only really over the tops of the mountains. It'll be rain through central belt and parts of the south when we see it coming in. As I said, the breeze will be picking up, but it will be turning milder in the south through this weekend after a cold and frosty start.